Today we're talking muscle basics here at Form Your Frame. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Form Your Frame. Today I want to talk to you about muscles. We all have them, but do you know how they work? They're actually very complicated. So today I'm going to be breaking down the basics of muscle function and how to treat your muscles kindly during exercise. The human body has 3 different types of muscle: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Skeletal muscle accounts for the majority of your muscle mass, and rightly so, because there are over 600 skeletal muscles in the human body. These muscles have 4 important functions. 1. They cause movement of bones and fluids. 2. They maintain posture and body position. 3. They stabilize your joints. And 4. They generate heat. Skeletal muscles provide movement to the body by a process called contraction, or shortening. One muscle attaches to 2 bones by a body tissue called a tendon. When the muscle shortens or contracts, the joint at which the 2 bones meet bends. Think about your elbow. Your upper arm muscle, called the Biceps Brachii, causes your elbow to bend when it contracts. This type of contraction is called an isotonic contraction. Iso means same, and tonic means tension. With the same tension being exerted across the muscle shortens, causing the joint to bend. Another type of contraction is called an isometric contraction. In this type of contraction, the muscle length does not change, or in other words, stays the same. Remember, iso means same. An example of an isometric contraction would be your abdominal muscles as you hold a plank. Your spine does not move as your abdominals contract, but you're still creating work. So what causes a contraction? Let's think about the basic makeup of your skeletal muscles. There are many layers and parts that make up your muscles that are too complex to explain in this video. But here are your basics. Your muscles are made up of many layers of fibers, and at the smallest level are myofibrils. Myo meaning muscle. Your myofibrils contain sarcomeres. These are the smallest contractile units of your skeletal muscles. In these sarcomeres are 2 fibers called actin and myosin. These fibers begin the process of contraction by not touching. The nervous system stimulates a series of several reactions at the cellular level. Without making things too complex, cellular energy called ATP and calcium cause the myosin heads to bind to the actin strand. The myosin strand changes shape, pulling on the actin strand and causing the entire sarcomere to shorten, and then in turn contracting the muscle. Got it? So, what does your body need in order to support this process? Well, it needs oxygen. Your cells use oxygen in order to perform several intercellular functions, and this includes creating ATP, the energy source needed to cause a contraction. It needs electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and chloride. These electrolytes are the substances allowing nervous system stimulation to take place. Now, the next time you grab a sports drink before or after your workout, you know why. The electrolytes in these sports drinks help to replenish the depleted supply used for muscle contraction during exercise. Your body also needs water. Water is responsible for transporting these valuable nutrients during exercise, as well as regulating body temperature and lubricating your joints. So the next time you're planning your exercise, plan ahead. Drink a sports drink to stock up on electrolytes. During your workout, drink plenty of water to ensure that these nutrients get used properly while also keeping your body from overheating. And finally, don't hold your breath. Oxygen is released to your cells when you exhale, not when you inhale. So be sure when you exercise that you're consistently breathing to ensure that your muscles get the oxygen they need. Now that you know the basics of muscle function, do you want to know more? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to make sure that you don't miss any of the Form Your Frame informational videos. Also, hit the like button and be sure to comment down below any questions you have about muscles. See you later!